Today I have brought a super cute mini 1 minute microwave chocolate cake for you all. This is ultra quick, super delicious, and if you are short of time to make something for kids, this is the choice that you should make it. And the result is just look at the fluffiness of the cake. It was super soft, well baked, and with just 1 minute. Look how easily it is coming out. No long process, nothing complicated, just simple 1 minute mini microwave chocolate cake. So take a small cup, which is microwave safe, of course. Take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar, now goes 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we are going to whisk them all along with a whisk. Once all the dry ingredients are mixed, we are going to follow with the wet ingredients. In wet ingredients, we just have oil and milk. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil, not completely full. It's not heaped, it's leveled, and 2 tablespoons of milk. But make sure when you're adding the milk, it should be slow because we'll check out the consistency of the batter. If we want to add some more, we'll add it in order to acquire the desired consistency of the batter. Just a little bit more. Whisk it nicely for a smooth paste like this. Look how nice and perfect paste is ready. Now we will transfer this mini cup into the microwave. Bake it for just 1 minute. One minute, and once the 1 minute is passed, you will check it with the help of a toothpick. It comes out clean. The cake is ready. Sprinkle some icing sugar on top of it. Enjoy it with a nice cup of tea or coffee. Your kids will definitely love this cake, and let's check it out. It is so well baked. I was just amazed with the result of this cake. We prepare lots of cakes with lots of complicated processes, sifting and clearing and everything, but this is the simplest, the mini and the beautiful cake ever you can make for just 1 minute. Look how perfectly it is baked. You can enjoy it with some vanilla ice cream also, and your kids will definitely love it. You can top it with some whipped cream, or you can enjoy it as it is. It is just perfect. So I hope you enjoy this video. Look how soft and fluffy it is turned out. I haven't oiled the cup, but it comes out so easily. It is so well baked in just 1 minute. So share this video with your friends and family. See you in another recipe. Till then, take good care of yourselves and your loved ones.